Welcome everybody. My name is Jaime Gonzalez and we are here at the Edison apartment homes in Houston, Texas, right off of Westheimer. That's probably one of the really nicest streets where they have a lot of businesses and restaurants. So we are here in a one bedroom, one bath. This is 850 square feet and this is the living area. It looks very, very pretty. New hardwood floors here. And this located unit is right next to the pool, which is a prime viewing area here, and really quiet once you step inside the property. This is a really nice area because this is a study that we have in some units. So you can either have it as a small library, or you can maybe put a small bed here for the kiddos. And this area, the study and the bedroom, it does have carpet, so it can be a little bit more quiet. And this is the bedroom. This one has 2 closets, which is kind of cool, and a walk-in closet. And then we have, to save space, we have the washer and dryer here, and we have the other closet, a smaller closet here, which is great. And the restroom, good size, not too big, not too small, medium in size. And we do have the kitchen, look really pretty. And then we have the fridge here, faucets, and new resurfaced cabinetry. So it's an open kind of concept, so you can see through, and we have a dining area here. So overall, this is also a great value, especially for the area that you're located in. It's right in the middle of the city, a little bit away from downtown, right off of Westheimer. You can get this street and pretty much go east-west anywhere in Houston. So thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it. Hello, everyone. So welcome back to the Edison apartment homes here in Houston, Texas, off Westheimer, like we talked about. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, quite a bit bigger than our 1-bedroom. And this has a really, really nice living area here, and it has a fireplace whenever it gets a little chilly outside. And it's an open concept, so I can kind of take a look out in the living area and take a look, making sure. Nice kitchen, nice countertops. This is one of the restrooms here. This is on the first floor. It's almost like a townhome feel whenever you're here in the apartment. And this is the first bedroom. It's really, really nice size. We have a closet, and to make it a little bit more efficient, we put the washer and dryer here so you can have more space in the living areas. Now we're going to go up. This would be the second bedroom. We have the second restroom here. And this bedroom is a little bit larger than the other one, and it has a little bit larger closet as well. So I think it's very good flow. And we get back to the living area. And it's very quiet and peaceful outside. It's actually a Saturday, and there's not a lot of people out and about. So, especially since we're on Westheimer. But you kind of step into the property, and it's very peaceful. So that's one thing I like about it. But thank you so much for joining us here at the Edison apartment homes. Thank you.